there's actually a couple other things I forgot about. So that's what we're making this video for today. Garlic right here. You want to continue to harvest it. What I would recommend is every week do a new sowing of seed. And I'm dropping 2 seeds per each field to ensure that I at least get a germination of these radish. You don't necessarily have to do that if you're low on seeds, but and you know, who knows, they might all come up and you'll get 32 per each one. With the soil being really loose and loamy in here, won't be bad because these radish can push themselves apart, just like turnips as well, same way. They'll make their own. Okay, what? This little device here, for some of those people I know, some like me, I'm sure, have a little bit of issues being OCD and like things kind of organized when they plant. You know, this is probably the easiest thing to use. For your peace of mind. I'm not planting these for any rhyme or reason, specific areas. there are some plants, do your research, because some plants you'll be putting in here that might be allelopathic with something you're putting around them. And if you don't know what allelopathic is, that means these plants don't like growing next to each other, and one will outcompete the other and kill it. There are a lot of, I did a video recently about that, and I put a very brief description down in the video about certain herbs that are allelopathic and don't do well together. So yeah, before you start planting some out, do a little bit of research, get your idea of what you want to put in the ground and where you want to put it. Maybe it's not as important, but make sure you know which plants will work well together before you just put something and try to figure out why later. I don't know why this is growing. What did I do wrong? Well, it's probably something you didn't do wrong. Some plants just don't work well together. So don't get your heart broken. I've done it. You know, back when I first started gardening, I had to learn from experience and eventually figured out what was going on and get things right. So, but guys, I'm gonna cut this video here. I appreciate you watching. I gotta get the rest of this bed laid out, hopefully today. Thanks for watching.